Hi everyone, and welcome to this month's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. Today we will be making lemon cheesecake cupcakes. The ingredients are 1 scoop vegan lemon cream protein powder, 12 reduced fat vanilla wafers, 8 ounces reduced fat cream cheese, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 6 ounces fat-free Greek yogurt, 2 large egg whites, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. So in this month's episode, we are going to be featuring our vegan protein. We will be using our lemon cream protein powder to make our very simple and easy cheesecake cupcakes. Let's get started. So to begin, you're going to line a 12-cup cupcake tin with just your standard little cupcake paper liners. You will take your vanilla wafers and place them with the flat side up, right on the bottom of each one of the cupcake wrappers. Okay, so that will be the base of our cupcakes. So this recipe is very simple. We will take everything, combine it in the bowl, and then we will bake. So we will start by adding our cream cheese to our bowl. We'll add our liquid egg whites, our Greek yogurt, teaspoon of vanilla, flour, and then our protein powder. Now we're going to mix everything together. Next, we're going to scoop our batter into our cupcakes. You want to fill them about halfway, and then we will bake them. So once you finish filling your individual cupcake wrappers, you're going to bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once you take your cupcakes out of the oven, you'll put them in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to overnight. Once they come out of the refrigerator, you'll see nice formed cheesecake cupcakes. So what we're going to do is I took about half of them to garnish on top. So you can keep some plain. So we'll add some strawberries, some blueberries, some raspberries, right, to make them creative, colorful, very simple and easy. As you see, very few ingredients are needed to make a really nice, higher protein dessert option. Thank you for joining us, and tune in next time for our next month's Cooking with Celebrate episode.